16 Saint Cornelius, Pope, Martyr and Saint Cyprian, Bishop, Martyr. Feast Day, September 16th. Martyrs of Unity, the lives of Saints Cornelius and Cyprian. In a time when the Roman Empire stood mighty and oppressive, two extraordinary men emerged as beacons of faith and unity. This is the tale of Saints Cornelius and Cyprian, whose lives were intertwined in the service of the Church, culminating in their courageous martyrdoms. Part 1: The Calling. In the year 251, Saint Cornelius was elected as the Pope during a turbulent era marked by the persecutions of Emperor Decius. He faced not only the threat of Roman authorities, but also the daunting task of ending a schism led by his rival, the first anti-pope, Novatian. To establish his rightful succession to the chair of Peter, Cornelius convened a synod of bishops. Part 2: The Controversy. The Decian persecution gave rise to a profound controversy. Could the Church pardon and reconcile with those who had renounced their faith in the face of martyrdom? Some bishops argued for an unwavering stance, while others advocated for leniency. Pope Cornelius decreed that apostates should be welcomed back, but insisted on an adequate penance. Part 3: Exile and Martyrdom. In the year 253, Emperor Gallus exiled Cornelius, subjecting him to harsh conditions. Through suffering and sacrifice, he remained steadfast in his faith. Ultimately, he met a martyr's end, becoming a symbol of unwavering dedication to the Church. Part 4: The African Bishop. Saint Cyprian of Carthage, born to wealthy pagans around 190, led a different path. Educated in the classics and rhetoric, he converted to Christianity at the age of 56. After just a year as a priest, he became a bishop. Part 5: Unity and Authority. Cyprian's writings, especially his treatise on the unity of the Catholic Church, became pivotal in defining the Church's structure and unity. He argued that unity was grounded in the authority of the bishop, with the primacy of the See of Rome among the bishops. Part 6: Persecution and Hiding. During the Decian persecutions, Cyprian made a strategic decision. He chose to guide his flock covertly rather than seek a glorious martyrdom. Some criticized him for this, but he believed that protecting his congregation was the wisest course of action. Part 7: The Final Sacrifice. The year was 258, and the persecutions of Emperor Valerian gripped the Christian community. On September 14, Saint Cyprian, despite his earlier decision to avoid martyrdom, was arrested and eventually martyred. His steadfast faith and leadership remained an inspiration to many. Part 8: Legacy and Unity. The lives of Saints Cornelius and Cyprian stand as a testament to unwavering faith, unity within the Church, and the sacrifices made for their beliefs. They remind us that unity, grounded in the authority of the bishop, is essential for the strength of the Church. In the words of Saint Cyprian, "You cannot have God for your father if you do not have the Church for your mother." Their legacies continue to inspire believers to be lovers of peace and defenders of faith, even in the face of adversity. The story of Saints Cornelius and Cyprian is a tale of two martyrs who dedicated their lives to the service of the Church and, through their sacrifices, became enduring symbols of faith and unity. Folded Hands Glowing Star discover daily saintly inspiration. Subscribe to our channel for a daily dose of wisdom and blessings from the lives of saints like Saint Cornelius and Saint Cyprian. Speech Balloon, share your blessings in the comments, and let us know how these saints have inspired you on your spiritual journey. Megaphone, spread the word by sharing this video on your social networks, so more souls can find the light of faith. Bookmark, don't forget to use these hashtags. Hashtag Saintly Inspiration. Hashtag Saints Cornelius and Cyprian. Hashtag Blessings from Heaven. sparkles by subscribing and sharing, you open the door to receive blessings from the heavenly presence of Saint Cornelius and the spiritual wisdom of the saints.